Alright guys, Engineering Lexi signing in. Today we're going to be making some threads. So we're going to try to make this quick and simple. Hit new, we created a new body. Now we're going to go to fasteners. Once we hit fasteners, a lot of stuff is going to pop up. I don't know what, there we go. If you don't have fasteners on here, what you would have to do is go to right here, tools, click in add-ons, and kind of look in here and find it and then install it. Okay, but anyway, let me close this out. So we created, let's do it again. We created a new file. Boom. Let me delete this one out of here. Let's do it one more time, guys. I'm sorry, because a lot of people. All right, boom, new file. Right here is unnamed. We can name it. Hold on. Let's see if it'll let me name it. I don't know why it's doing it. There we go. It should let me name it. Anyway, let's make these threads. So we can use this one. Click here. You see we have a cylindrical this little thingy right here, right? What is that? M6 by 20. Okay. Now watch how easy this is, guys. Follow my mouse. We're gonna go over here. Let's say we want to get maybe like a M8 diameter. It could be. Let's go up a little bit. Matter of fact, let's go back down. Right? We just playing around with numbers. Okay. Now watch this. Hold on. Just click back on this. All right. Now we're gonna go to. It should be a thing that says thread. You see that? Once you hit that, you double click it. Hit true. You come over here. Give it a time to say, "Hey, I'm alive." Okay. Hold on. Let's do it again. Oh, it didn't do it. Bingo. There we go. Simple. Sometimes it'll pause. Now let's do it again. Let's go back to threads. Let's make this false. Let's click back on it. See there? I don't know why I keep jumping to tabs. But anyway, stay up on the model. Click threaded rod. Hold on. Right there. Threaded rod. Let's go back down here. We have to turn the threads on true. Click anywhere on the screen. Okay. But if we want a different size, we can so yeah, like I was saying, if we want a different size, we can go back here to diameter. Let's do it M3, right? And then this right here is like a custom. And it should, let's see. See how I made it smaller? Like I said, it takes time to try to, yeah. So I hope I really showed y'all how many minutes we got. 4 minutes. We're gonna do it again. Let's do it one more time. Discard this. Hit new. Boom. We're in there. We already have fasteners up here. Boom. Get some threads. Click them right here. Bring it over. Go back to this. We're gonna make it true. Right? Just click the screen. Or click the part. Bingo. We made threads. Now, you want to change the diameter. Let's do a big one. Let's do like an M48. Bingo. See what I'm saying? It's easy, guys. Let's go back to like a M3. Make sure it's true. Look at that. See? Smaller. But yeah, man. Thank y'all. I'm going to be I like this CAD, man. It's called FreeCAD, and the number is 0.21.2. And I'm going to be playing around on here and uploading videos and things like that. But yeah, I told y'all, man, I can make a drone with my 3D printer, put it together, and order the parts, the components, electrical components to go in there. But yeah, man, Engineer Lexus signing out, man. Thank y'all so much.